Hey guys, what's up? My name is Naturally Shantae and welcome back to another video. If you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button down below as well as that notification bell so that you are aware of any time I post an upload. Also, if you like videos like this, then please leave me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. In today's video, I will be reviewing the starter set from Amyla Cosmetics, which is a hair care brand that specializes in promoting healthy hair growth and healthy hair overall. They reached out to me to review their starter set, which I have done on camera for you guys, as well as showed you guys how I use those products in my hair, as well as give you my honest opinions about the company, the products, and how well they worked in my hair. At the end of the video, if you guys are interested in purchasing any of their products, or any products in the starter set, I will also be giving you guys a coupon code, which you must stay tuned at the end of the video to receive some coins off. So if you are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So the number one question is, what exactly is Amyla Cosmetics? Amyla Cosmetics is a natural hair care brand that specializes in creating products using all natural ingredients to promote healthy hair as well as hair growth overall. Thousands of women from relaxed to curly, with curly textures from 1A to 4C have been able to use their products to grow long, healthy hair. Amyla Cosmetics is all about giving you the hair that you desire by providing you with good quality ingredients in all of their products. So today, they sent me their starter set, which includes their shampoo, their conditioner, as well as their hair growth serum, which all aids in promoting long, healthy hair. And to start their healthy hair care journey, you have to have the basics. Amyla Cosmetics has provided those basics in their starter set, which they sent me for review. So the first product I used was the Amyla Cosmetics Coconut Shampoo. This shampoo comes in an 8.8 fluid ounce bottle, and the smell smells like a light coconut scent. I would say it's not overbearing, but it's very light. The coconut shampoo does include coconut oil, biotin, argan oil, and vitamin E oil, which are all essential for healthy hair growth, especially the biotin. I want to go ahead and say that all of the products do contain biotin in it, so every product that you use in the starter set are all used to promote hair growth, and I really like that about it. The shampoo to me was pretty nice. It does state that it removes knots and tangles and it does not strip the hair, and I definitely agree with those claims. I would say the consistency of the shampoo is very creamy, and I would definitely say that it wasn't a thick consistency, but it was very creamy. When I use the shampoo, it doesn't give like a very strong lather, but as you can see, the lather was good enough for me to get it onto my scalp, and I was able to basically finger detangle with the shampoo in my hair. And when I rinsed out the shampoo, it made my hair feel very manageable, very soft. You could see that my curls were popping with the shampoo, and it really left my hair extremely clean. So I definitely will say with this shampoo, it's not a clarifying shampoo, it's a very moisturizing shampoo. It does clean the hair, but it also does not strip the hair of its essential nutrients. So I really did like the shampoo. The next product in their starter kit is their coconut conditioner. Now with this conditioner, it comes in the same 8.8 fluid ounces. So I will say you do get a great amount of conditioner. I think in this wash day, I used about this much of the bottle. So I still kind of got a lot left. I usually use conditioner to revitalize my hair and also provide some moisture so that I can also detangle my hair. The conditioner kind of smells the same. Yeah, it has that light coconut scent, but it's not overpowering if you don't like coconut. Like, I don't like coconut, but I really like the smell of this. It kind of made me feel like I was in a spa, honestly. The coconut conditioner also does still contain water as the first ingredient, coconut oil, vitamin E, avocado oil, wheat oil, olive oil, biotin, and tea tree oil. Now, with the tea tree oil, I think with the conditioner, I did kind of feel like a tingling sensation, but it wasn't very strong. But I love the way that it made my hair feel. I would say the texture of the conditioner was very lightweight. It was very creamy, but it was also lightweight. I didn't have to use too much of it at all, but my hair really soaked it up. As you can see, my hair really soaked in the conditioner. Like, as soon as I put it on my hair, it soaked it in, and I was able to easily glide my hands through my hair. So I will say that it wasn't all the way slippery as I would like it to until I put some more water on my hair, and the slip just came out of nowhere. Like, I really like that about this conditioner, so I would definitely say to make sure your hair is completely wet before using this conditioner so that your hair can soak in the nutrients. It really allowed me to detangle my hair, which I really liked about that. The conditioner states that it improves manageability, adds silky and shine, and I believe those claims too. As I rinsed my hair out, I could see that my hair was super shiny and my curls were just popping. Like, you could see the definition of my curls already, and I wasn't even styling my hair yet. So I really did like the conditioner, and like I said, I do have quite a bit left to where I could do maybe 2 or 3 more wash days, in which I will be using this in my regimen, so I like that about that. I did not use a deep conditioner in this wash day. I really just left this in my hair. It says you can leave it in your hair for 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse it out, but I kind of did more than that because I like to, you know, have a lot of more moisture in my hair since I wasn't using a deep conditioner. However, I did leave this in my hair while I took my shower, so that was about 10 minutes. So I let the steam penetrate my hair with the conditioner in it, and when I rinsed it out, that's when my hair felt silky smooth, soft. Oh, it was so soft. Silky smooth and soft, and my hair was just super shiny. So the last part of their starter set is their hair growth serum. The hair growth serum is made with coconut oil, carrot oil, argan oil, macadamia nut oil, jojoba oil, tea tree oil, biotin, as well as organic peppermint. Now, there are a lot of good essential oils in this hair growth serum. All of the oils I do love. It kind of smells like candy. It has a real like fruity candy-ish smell, so that was very pleasant. You get 1 fluid ounce of this oil. You're only supposed to put a few drops onto your scalp while it's dry, or you can use this as an everyday oil if you want to. I like to use oils when my scalp gets dry, and I use it to kind of, you know, refresh my scalp as well as provide some moisture into it. I did use quite a bit. I've been using this oil almost every 2 days since I've gotten it. It does have peppermint oil as well as tea tree oil, so as soon as you put a few drops onto your scalp, you can start to immediately feel the tingling sensation in your hair, and it feels oh so good. As you'll see, I was putting the serum onto my parts as well as on my scalp, and I was just rubbing the serum in, and it just felt so nice. Like, it really felt like I was on a spa day. But it feels so good. It just like revitalizes your scalp. It makes it feel really good. So another thing about the serum that I like is that it doesn't leave a greasy feeling on the scalp. Sometimes when you get an oil that you buy oil for the company, if you make your own oils, like, you can tell that it has like a greasy feeling. But this hair serum did not do that to me. My scalp and my hair really soaked it in, and it left my hair super shiny. My hair still smells like that fruity scent, but it smells so good, and I really enjoyed that about the oil as well. Well, that's everything in my review in regards to the Amyla Cosmetics starter set. I will continue to make sure that I use those products up because I did truly like them, so I'm going to incorporate those into my hair care just to see if my hair does grow any further with those. Of course, you won't really see any growth using the products just one time. I will continue to use those products, and if you guys want an update on how long my hair grew, then please, you know, let me know that. Leave a comment down below, and I'll be more than happy to make a video on that. I really truly enjoyed these products, and if you guys would love to try these products as well, the starter set is $54.90, and I have a coupon code that I would love to give to you guys. When you're checking out, just use my code, which will be at the bottom of the screen, Shantae20, on AmylaCosmetics.com, and you can save 20% off of your order. I will continue to be buying these products because I do love their claims, and I do love using their products as well. Like I said, I felt like I was in a spa. My hair felt so good, and this is how my hair turned out once I styled it off camera. So my hair feels really good. My scalp is revitalized. I just feel refreshed, and my hair smells so much like that oil, you guys. Like, when I tell you, at least if you get anything off their site, get the hair growth serum. Get it, buy it now. Use my code Shantae20 for 20% at AmylaCosmetics.com and go get your starter set today. So if you guys have any questions about the products, please leave a comment down below, and I'll be more than happy to answer those for you. Like I said, if you like this video, then please give me a thumbs up as well as leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. If you like these videos, I will continue to make more. Just keep subscribing to my channel. If you watched my whole entire video and you didn't subscribe, then what you're watching for? It doesn't do anything to hit that button. Matter of fact, it's free. It's free to subscribe. Well, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.